so now we're going to graph some exponential functions. All right, I got 3 of them written down here. Remember, our standard setup is A is our y-intercept, B is our growth or decay, and X would be our time, or in this case, our X value. Okay, so our very first one, what's our y-intercept?
2.
2. All right, so we got 2. So we're going to go to our y-axis, go to 2.
Jabari Johnson.
Real simple. Now, we could pick any value we wanted to, but it's easier to just keep something that's close. So I'm going to pick a very easy X value. I'm going to pick an X value of 1. Okay, so I've wrote a chart here, an X and a Y value. So I'm going to put 1 here. So this would basically become 2 times 3 to the first power. Well, 3 to the first power is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So we now have the coordinate 1, 6. So 1, 6. We have 2 points. If we can identify those 2 points, we can match it up with any graph. Okay, so we know that this is going somewhere in this shape. Okay? All right, so x1. All right, let's do another one. What is our y-intercept?
4.
4. So we're going to go to 4. That's our a value. All right. We put, again, we could pick any value, but it's just easy. Let's pick 1. Okay, so you have 4.
We also need Isaiah Polk going home. Isaiah Polk.
So 1/2 raised to the first power is 1/2, and half of 4 is 2. So this time we have 1. We put in 1, got out 2. So 1, 2. Yes, you can go to the restroom. Go around the camera, please. Sorry about that. Okay. All right, our last one. Thing that looks different here is there's no a value. Okay. At least it didn't look like there's one. Remember, the b value always goes with the exponent. So really, this negative is not going here. This negative is going to go with our invisible a value, which is 1. So we really have negative 1. Here is our a value. So y-intercept. Negative 2 to the first power is 2 times 1 is negative 2. So we put in 1, and we're going to get out negative 2. We've already graphed our y-intercept, or we haven't yet, but we're about to. Our y-intercept was negative 1, and when we put in 1, we got out negative 2. So 1, negative 2. So this one will go something like that. Now, one thing I forgot to mention when I did this one, let me go back to it real quick. Okay, is our y-intercept was 4, and our coordinate was plugged in 1, we got out 2. Anytime we have a b value less than 1, as we move to the right, it is going to get closer to the x-axis. Okay, so in a case where something might look like this, where it would be maybe, let's say, y equals 3, sorry, negative 3, because that's our y-intercept of negative 3, and again, a growth rate less than, let's say another less than 1, so I'm picking a fraction of 1/4. Okay, again, anytime the growth rate is less than 1, we know it is going to approach the x-axis, so it might look something like that. But it will never touch the x-axis.